Introducing Nesta from Morphy Richards, the best way to brew and dispense the perfect cup of coffee. Instead of a glass carafe like traditional coffee makers, Nesta has a thermal insulated tank, a convenient digital clock, and one-hand dispensing. Nesta's special features include a programmable function, so you can have hot coffee ready when you wake up. There is also a keep warm setting from 0 to 4 hours, and it has 3 brewing strengths: regular, bold, and a 1 to 4 cup setting for smaller quantities. Instead of a hot plate, Nesta has a built-in gentle warming heater that guarantees your last cup tastes as fresh as your first. Heat and flavor don't escape, and there's no hot plate to scorch your coffee or make it taste bitter. See how simple it is to use. With a large 12-cup capacity and using your favorite brand of filter coffee, just press your cup or mug against the bar for easy one-hand dispensing and get a perfect cup of coffee every time. There's no pouring, no spills, no burnt coffee flavor, and no carafe to break or replace. It also comes with a free travel mug, so you can enjoy your coffee on the go. The innovative Nesta filter coffee maker from Morphy Richards for coffee convenience and stainless steel styling that looks great in the home.